Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from January 12th to January 18th. Monday, January 13th, middle of year MAP ELA week begins. At 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m., there will be a final meeting via Zoom regarding the 12th grade Disney trip. Tuesday, January 14th, there will be picture retake day. So if you happen to not like your latest photo, you have a chance to get it redone. Urology Club will be taking place in the club room inside the cafeteria from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. There will be a Parent Association general meeting from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. There will also be Into the Woods rehearsals both Tuesday and Wednesday from 3:35 p.m. to 4:40 p.m. in the theater. Also, on Wednesday, January 15th, the Health and Wellness Club will have a meeting from 3:35 to 4:35 in the club room. Thursday, January 16th, students in AP Sciences will be taking a trip to a DNA lab. Our Farm Club will also be distributing goods for those who placed orders. Once again, there will be Into the Woods rehearsals from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. Finally, at the end of our week, Friday, January 16th, will be a student government-sponsored dress-down day. Be sure to abide by all dress code rules and enjoy your day. From 1:10 to 2:50, there will be Into the Woods rehearsals in the theater. From 1:15 to 2:15, there will be high school dance residency for those who are performing in our upcoming Black History Month performance. And that is it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.